train. That's what electric cars run on. That's the fuel they use. How about that? Go to Ingles for breakfast this morning, but it's too late now. We've been training this morning. Up some speed, you're moving on. Just soon be gone. There he goes. Heading out of sight. Okay, we used to love these things when we were kids. I'll see if my grandsons are interested in this. You know, kids, they just don't have the same interest whatsoever that we used to. But we'll give these to them if they want them. And we're going to place 5 more pennies on the tracks. Hopefully that mid-engine train will come up here shortly. And we'll get it and have some more pennies. What do y'all give me for them? What's the auction going for? We'll auction some flattened railroad pennies out. Well, let's see if we can find our pennies. Sometimes they get blasted off and they'll tell them, not sure where, but I don't see these. There's one. There's the other. Pretty neat, pretty neat.